Hello friends, in today's question, two rods, one of aluminium and other made of steel, having initial length L1 and L2, are connected together to form a single rod of length L1 plus L2. The coefficient of linear expansion for aluminium and steel are alpha A and alpha S respectively. If the length of each rod increases by the same amount when the temperature is raised by T degree centigrade, then find the ratio of L1 by L1 plus L2. In this case, we are going to use the formula for the expansion formula, which is that the increase in length is equal to the coefficient expansion multiplied by the length and multiplied by the temperature. So here we have two rods, one is aluminium and another one is made of steel. So we start from there only, that we have two rods. So let us define. First of all, it is given to us that length of rods for aluminium it is given as L1 and for steel it is given as L2, and coefficient of linear expansion for aluminium it is given as alpha A, and for steel it is given as alpha S. And both are raised by the same temperature. So we can say the temperature increase is T degree centigrade. Temperature increase is T degree centigrade, and it is also mentioned that increase in length in both the rod is same. So it is given that increase in length for both rods is same. So therefore we can write that delta L1 is equal to delta L2. Now we are going to discuss regarding the expansion formula. So we can say the expansion formula. So increase in length that is delta L is given as alpha, that is the coefficient of linear expansion, multiplied by the length and multiplied by T. So we can rewrite this equation for the aluminium as well as for steel. So we can say for aluminium delta L1 is equal to alpha A multiplied by L1 multiplied by T, and for steel we have delta L2 is equal to alpha S, and this is L2 and multiplied by T, and we are already given that delta L1 is equal to delta L2. So we can say that this will be called as 1. So you can say from equation 1 we get alpha A multiplied by L1 multiplied by T is equal to alpha S multiplied by L2 multiplied by T, and here temperature and temperature cancels out. So we get this as that alpha A multiplied by L1 is equal to alpha S multiplied by L2. And next we can find out the ratio. So from here we can say that L1 upon L2 will be equal to alpha S upon alpha A. And in the given question we are supposed to find out L1 upon L1 plus L2. So let us write that. So we can say we are required to find out L1 upon L1 plus L2, and this can be written as 1 upon 1 plus L2 upon L1. So if you substitute the value, we get this as 1 upon, this is our alpha A upon alpha S, and we get this as alpha S upon alpha A plus alpha S. So we can say that the ratio L1 plus L2 is equal to alpha S divided by alpha A plus alpha S. So the options that are given to us, if we check the options, we get that option number C is the correct option. Option C is correct. This completes the question. Thank you.